In the vibrant world of nature, the mimic octopus stands out with its incredible ability to change color and shape. Unlike most animals that camouflage to hide, this octopus takes it a step further by impersonating other sea creatures like lionfish and flatfish. It's not just about blending in, it's about deception. This quirky creature can fool predators into thinking it's something far more dangerous. Imagine an octopus pretending to be a venomous lionfish. Nature's ultimate prankster, it's a master of disguise. Love learning quirky facts? Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-bending stories.